everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have. Here I have a tailgate net. So like sometimes when you're driving down the road, we have junk in the back and you don't want it to just fly out. What you can do is you can put up with these nets. You've probably seen these things. People have them all over the place. Nothing new, but this is a version of it here. So we have, sorry, got a lot of stuff going, but this is what the net looks like. And so it's going to look like on there. And you can run the little ball through here, feed it through, and then just put it into a hole or something or wherever you want to put it. I mean, I'll just wrap it around there. I mean, you get the idea. You put it on something on that side. There's Carabiners too, so I'm probably going to hook it up a little bit better than me, but I'm just giving you an idea of what it'll look like. Came off. Hold on. You'll definitely want it better than I'm just doing it, but I'm just doing it for show. But this is how it's going to look. You get the idea. It's going to be a net going across the back of your truck to make sure stuff doesn't fall out. So it's cool. I like it. It'll totally fit on this. This is like an F-150, F-250. You know, they're all kind of the same size. So totally cool. Thumbs up. Okay, so here is the fence up, and you see right now we have some stuff on the outside, some stuff on the inside, but it'll hold it up so as we're driving, stuff won't come flopping out of there. So how cool is that? Very nice. Thumbs up.